Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. 1 year ago, we installed new LED lighting in my garage. We never got around to posting this video, but we thought this was the perfect time as this is an inexpensive solution to making a big upgrade in your garage. This is the lighting that we're installing. It's linkable and comes with all the connections that you'll need. The first step is to pry the top section off the bottom, which is easy to do with a flathead screwdriver. And inside, you'll find all the included connections. There's also a wire you can disconnect to detach the bottom from the top section, which makes it a lot easier for installation. Next, we popped off the connection cap on both sides of the light, and yes, it looks like a Mickey Mouse head. This is where we'll plug the power cord or the link cable. Here I'm attaching the top and bottom sections back together, although we found it easier to keep them disconnected for installation. Here we're connecting a link wire on one end and a power cord on the other end. We're connecting two strip light fixtures to one power cord. Here you can see the old LED lights that were nice, but we wanted to have even lighting across the whole garage, and these fixtures also didn't have enough soft light for me. So we started by holding up the lights where we thought we wanted them to be placed, plugged them into the ceiling outlet, and figured out the placement. By the way, you can see these fixtures have the LED light built in. And being LED, they last 50,000 hours of continuous use. We figured out the placement we liked and tried to make it parallel to the wall, and in my mouth is a template we used on the first one. This lets us know where the hole is on the bottom of the light. We also got out a laser level so we can make sure our light was nice and straight. We drilled a pilot hole, placed an anchor, and drove in the screw, leaving it slightly proud. The bottom of the light is a keyhole hanger and slips onto place on the proud screws. We turned it on and success. We went on to plug the second light into the first, but this time we left the cover off as it was much easier to mark the screw locations. Do you notice what's missing on the wall right behind us? Let us know in the comments below. We repeated the same process for the other side. Again, we used the laser level to line up the lights on the first side to make sure it was all nice and parallel. We used all the skills we learned in installing the first lights for the next two. This is Mom's favorite part. And here you can see all four lights perfectly in place, and to secure the cables, we added a couple cable ties. After we lived with it for a few weeks, we decided we needed a bit more light on the right side, so you can see here we added two more lights. And this is what it looks like today, which is 1 year after we installed it. You can see we actually linked the new lights to the first two lights with a 5-foot linkable cable that's sold separately. This is a great quick DIY solution to garage lighting. Altogether, the lighting cost about $180. And I actually have all these lights plugged into a smart plug, which I can now control via an app, or I can tell my smart assistant to turn on my garage lights. And if you're wondering about the other light in the garage, that's an LED skylight panel that we installed in a previous video, and you'll see a link to that right here. And if you want to see another DIY garage lighting install, we use a different type of fixture at Mom's house, and you can see that right here. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.